Sickle cell anemia is a disease in which patients have abnormal hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein that carries oxygen and is carried by the red blood cells. Most people have normal hemoglobin called hemoglobin A, but people with sickle cell anemia have hemoglobin S. Unlike hemoglobin A, hemoglobin S is extremely sensitive to low amounts of oxygen in the body. As a result, doing anything that requires the body to increase its demands for oxygen, such as going to a high altitude, doing intense exercise, having an infection, or being dehydrated, causes the red blood cells to go from their usual round shape to becoming sickle-shaped like a crescent or a C. The red blood cells also become stiff and often tend to stick together. This causes the blood flow to be interrupted to important organs and tissues. When that happens, someone enters what is called sickle cell crisis, which is a combination of intense fatigue and pain. Normal red blood cells last about 120 days, but sickle cell-shaped red blood cells last only 20 days, which causes anemia. Furthermore, the spleen becomes overworked because it helps recycle old red blood cells and fight off infection. As a result, the patient becomes more vulnerable to infection. But how does one get sickle cell anemia? Well, sickle cell anemia is an autosomal recessive disorder, which means that 2 copies of the gene must be present for the disease to develop. And the gene, called hemoglobin beta, is located on chromosome 11. For someone to have sickle cell anemia, they would need a genotype of hemoglobin SS. There are 2 possible scenarios for this to happen. The first scenario would be that both parents would be heterozygous for the sickle cell trait. Another way someone could get sickle cell anemia would be if the first parent were heterozygous for the sickle cell trait and the other one was homozygous recessive. Sickle cell anemia is more common in people of African descent, Hispanic Americans, and people of Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, Asian, and Indian descent. The reason why some specific ethnicities are more prone to this disease is because sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder that people in certain parts of the world developed in order to adapt to malaria. Current treatments for sickle cell anemia consist of a variety of medications and procedures. However, the only potential cure for sickle cell anemia is called stem cell transplantation. This procedure aims to replace old stem cells in the bone marrow with new stem cells from a matching donor. However, it can be very difficult to find a suitable donor. I hope that this video has helped you understand more about sickle cell anemia. Thanks for watching.